Hi everybody, welcome to English Grammar course. In these videos, I hope to teach you some basic English. So this series of videos are for low level beginners, okay? Now when you watch this video, I want you to pay attention. So watch all the series of my videos of English Grammar course. And today in this video, we'll discuss about lesson 1, that is vowels and consonants. Please listen carefully, and if there are any words or expressions that you don't know, please check your dictionary. Another thing you should do is repeat after me. Repeating is a really good practice. If you try your best and watch all this series of my videos that I'll be bringing soon, I'm sure that your English will get better. Okay, let's get started. Now in this video, I want to talk about difference between consonants and vowels. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters, and in the alphabet there are 5 main vowels and 1 special vowel, and the rest are consonants. So let's look in this slide. So here we have 26 letters. A is a vowel, B, C, D are consonants, E vowel, F, G, H are consonants, I is a vowel, J, K, L, M, N are consonants, O is a vowel, P, Q, R, S, T are consonants, U is a vowel, V, W, X are consonants, and Y is a special vowel. And at last Z is a consonant. So here Y is the special vowel. We'll talk about this later at last. And there are 26 letters in the alphabet we saw just now, with 5 main vowels, 1 special vowel, and the rest are consonants. Okay, now let's look at the next part. Here we'll see few words. All English words have vowels, maybe 1 or many vowels. Now let us check with these words here. Cat, C is a consonant, A is a vowel, T is a consonant, cat. Egg, E is a vowel, G is a consonant. Next, hit, H-I-T. H is a consonant, I a vowel, T a consonant. Top, T is a consonant, O vowel, P consonant. Put, P-U-T. P is a consonant, U a vowel, T a consonant. Now I said Y is a special vowel. Now that's because sometimes it is vowel and sometimes it is consonant. Now let's look here. In the word Y, it sounds as if I. Y. So it is a vowel. Now bicycle. Bicycle. Here the letter Y sounds like I. Bicycle. So in this case, Y is also a vowel. Pretty. Pretty. Here Y sounds like E. Pretty. So it's a vowel. In the last 2 words, you. Yes. Now if the words sound with Y, like you, yes, in the beginning, like here, then it is a consonant. So again we have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and 1 special vowel, Y. So to remember vowels A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y. One time faster. A, E, I, O, U and sometimes Y. And that's the end of this video. Thank you.